no one to text, so I'm stuck to scribble down with a swollen pen. I had a swollen gland, I kept it in my chest. Let all my pain out in a single breath. Close my eyes and let my thoughts manifest. Time to recoup air and pass the test. I saw all was there, but there was nothing left. My subconscious fell down a flight of steps. It broke every rung on the way down. Smacked the spoiled girl out of her bridal gown. I was the only clown with the wiped off frown, chillin' with the golden arches, rolling up the golden brown, wearing a spinal tap and a cap of rose crown. I was speaking the truth, but no one was around. I spoke on the megaphone, but couldn't draw a crowd. I'm telling you clearly, but you can't hear a sound, cause all I ever wanted was to make my mama proud. But nah, I sit back and write poems. I'm not even good, I'm just a control drone. Minuscule minutes, I'm a malfunctional clone. And I'm not good in the head, I'm in a dysfunctional zone. And I gotta pray harder if I'm gonna get heaven prone. It's no biggie, I'll take whatever comes. It'll all be okay, cause I'm smarter when I'm done. I left my mark in life like the wrong end of a gun. But half of this is boring, but 20% is fun. This is remaining 30, I tossed it to the sun. I was 101 and left one for my son. Scrap metal pieces discarded on my tongue. Swallowed it whole and left the right side of me numb. I couldn't help but feel neglecting it rather dumb, but I was still smart enough to teach on the rule of thumb. I laid it back and trust fell on a bed of needles. My gray matter outweighed my white, it's pure evil. I heard from a rumor you get cocooned from Weedle, and I'm meaner than Sarah Marshall, remembering Jason Segel. They say you write to express emotion. Some say the right is to control emotion. Some people write because their thoughts are like oceans, deep and unexplored and running and filled with motion. More to the point, writing is self-expression. Create bright colors like light after reflection, light after refraction, math without the fractions, life with no anger, getting to know a stranger, getting weird only to get a little stranger, chilling with Hermione Granger, flying on the moon and fire with Speed Racer, talk liquid fire, spit hot lava, write down eggshells and spit bowls of flavor, grab a lightsaber by the blade and laugh later. Surfing on sunspots, I wear sunblock for winter, become the ghost of the past and the ghost of the midday, the voice of the future and the voice of all the betrayed. Get in the time machine and put time on delay, make time pause and put some minutes on the replay, make peace plausible to all those not near, and go to Africa, take a fucking hunter spear. Live with the lions, it's living without fear. Just keep America away and eat plenty of deer.
King.